order geometry. This is how your Canvas looks when you get into Canvas. If you go down here and you click on the first assignment here, day 1, on there you have your notes and you have the assignment. If you click on the assignment and you are logged in as your S23, ask you how you're feeling. Okay, great. And then it'll take you to the first slide. As long as you're logged in as your S23, it automatically recognizes that is you, so you didn't have to log into anything. You'll click the next arrow down here on the bottom left to take to the first question. I have already practiced on this one, so it recognized me. This was the work I had put on there. Let's say I don't like that work. I'm going to go over here on the right. And I'm going to clear that. And so now I'm going to type something else on here. If you're on a computer, you might be easy to use the text box. If you are on the iPad, it's super easy to just draw on there, which is why we set it up that way, because most of you guys are on iPads. So then if you look down in the bottom right corner, now it says that I have submitted something. You see a little check mark down there. Okay, so you didn't have to actually push anything, it automatically submitted. If you've done your work on that page, then you click the next arrow, the next slide. Just gives you the answer to check your work. Next slide gives you a question. I've already just put a line on here because I was practicing earlier. I'm going to clear that off. You can literally plot the points. It says we're doing Pythagorean theorem. Draw a triangle. You can do your work for Pythagorean theorem there. You can pick any types of pens, pencils, whatever colors. Very convenient. And like I said, as soon as I put something on here, oops, I was on text box. Let me draw a line. If, let's say I plot a point and I want to connect those 2 points. There we go. It drew a line. And so down here, what was nothing automatically saved that there is something now on that slide. So that is how you use Pear Deck. You just have to be logged in with your S23 number. You're in your Google account instead of your personal one, so it automatically would tell me who is submitting this. And then if I want to go back to, let's see, my home page here so you can see this. Just to review, you click the day 1 or whatever assignment you want to do. I automatically click on the assignment. It'll ask how I'm doing again. Just in case you exit out or for any reason, it took me right back to the same question I had left off on. So if I don't have time to do it all in one setting, that's fine. The reason I clicked back on, I wanted to show you down here now. In this bottom corner, it doesn't have a check mark because I haven't put anything on that slide yet. The only way it will record your information is if you actually write something on the slide. That's Pear Deck.